I finally got my hands on the Reimagined Bred Cement 4s. Now I can admit, let me use with the hang tag, because they changed the hang tag on that boy. I know you've seen reviews. I didn't watch the reviews. I can admit, I did not want this shoe at first. I wasn't a fan of taking this to this. I just wasn't a fan at first, but now I understand. I understand. I get it. It's reimagined. So it's reimagined. So I understand. I get it now. The new boys are classic. This is the 2019 pair with the Nike Air on the buttocks. But this new pair is, they made it like a SB4. I don't have the SB4, but the plushness, you could probably see it, like the plushness, bro. The plush of the Reimagined 4 is nothing like this. Is, you can see how thin that is. Still got shoe trees, but you can see how thin that is. It's hard, bro, and they pinky toe killers. I hate that the 4s do that to my pinky toe. Of course, this is not my size, it's a smaller size. These, I haven't put them on feet, but I am almost 100% sure that these are gonna feel way better. Now, like I said earlier, before I got my hands on these, I was a hater. When I first seen images and even the idea of the shoe, I was an early hater. I can admit that. But seeing them in hand, I really changed my mind, and I really hope that if you are a hater of this shoe, you give them a chance, bro. A quick history of the shoe, the Bred 4s. I'm gonna call them the Bred 4s. I know OG, triple OG, they call them cement. But I'm gonna call them the Bred 4s. They originally came out in 1989, OG. Then they released in 1999 as a retro. Then in 08, but that was in a countdown pack. Of course, I missed those. I still to this day, wish I was able to get that pack. I think I got in trouble. I got suspended from school, so I wasn't able to get it. And then the last release before these were 2019, which is this pair. A great pair, to say the absolute least. This pair is the closest we have had to a true reincarnation. You like that? Reincarnation of the OG. Now we're in 2024 with, of course, the Reimagined. That was a quick history lesson. Don't ever say that you ain't never learned nothing from this channel, because you did. So if you didn't know when these dropped, or these really, then now you know. You got it from me. Now, back to the Reimagined, you need to make sure you do what you can to get these now. The resale on them is fairly, it's not out of pocket yet. It's not out of hand yet. Get them while you can. Try to do your best. I wouldn't push anybody to go buy them aftermarket, but if you have to, if you don't get them for retail, do not sit and wait. Go ahead, take the L, bro. You're gonna make the money back. It's okay. They are 100% worth it. Do not let these pass you by. It's a lot of shoes this year in the 24 that you can let slide. This is not one. I'm telling you. Nike finally did something right. I'm not mad at y'all for this. They even reversed the box. Nike, thank you. I appreciate you for this. Nike, please keep this going. This is incredible. This is a great release. I think I'm gonna double up. I'm gonna grab me another pair. Hopefully I can get them for retail. If I don't, I'm gonna have to bite the bullet, because I do want a pair to play in. You won't be disappointed. You do. If I helped you make your decision, which I doubt it, hit me up, let me know. Peace. To the next review, because this is definitely gonna turn into a review channel.